How to add audio to your Google Slides, that's what I am going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. But before that, if you're new to this channel, welcome to the digital world. In this channel we are trying to demystify the complexities of digital world by making the simple tech tutorials like this one. So if you're interested, then consider subscribing. Now once your PowerPoint slide is ready and you have an audio, now in order to add the audio file to your slides, the catch is that you need to have that file in your Google Drive. So if you have an audio file in your computer, I would strongly recommend that you watch a tutorial on the YouTube if you do not know how to upload your files, audio files or any file into your Google Drive. And once that file is uploaded, then you need to watch this tutorial from this point onward, because I'm not going to show you that how can you upload a file onto the Google Drive. So once your file is there in the Google Drive, so in order to add the audio from your Google Drive, you just need to click the insert, and from the drop down menu you need to select the audio, and here you would see your drive and the audio files in your drive. Select that audio file which you want to insert in the Google slide and then click select. And once that file is inserted, you will see a speaker icon somewhere in the slide, and you can click that play button to run that audio. And once you will present the slide, so once you are in the slideshow, you just need to press this and then that slide would start to play. So that's how you can add the audio to your Google Slides. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.